Hi, my name is Michael White, and I am a doctoral student for educational technology, and I'll be doing a screencast about the 5 principles of design, of service design. So the course that I use is Design Thinking Fundamentals. This is a 6-week course. The outcome from this course is for the student uh, to comprehend knowledge of Dr. Felipe Theory's vast teachings of service design around the world in the 5 principles that she included in service design thinking. The student is introduced to a video that allows for immediate interpretation of basic concepts and facts. The student is then asked to demonstrate their understanding of those facts by using acquired knowledge in the form of interactive activities. Excuse me. I chose a 3-minute video provided in week 1 of Design Thinking Fundamentals. The video was under the variations of design thinking. There were an abundance of resources available, and that came in the form of hyperlinks to articles, videos, journals, websites, books, and even libraries. The resources were very informative as it pertained to information on design thinking. The tools that I chose for the student to demonstrate their clear understanding were multiple choice and drag and drop text. I chose the mixed interactive activities to showcase the student's adaptation to receiving and responding to informational media in the form of a video. Um, the use of the multiple choice questions allows the student to organize their thoughts and put a value for the corresponding answers. Being able to evaluate information that was recently viewed and make a critical judgment as to the meaning of that information correctly, in my opinion, cements the knowledge for the student, for that student to be able to recall. As you can see here, we come up with our first question, and it's Dr. Felipe Theory teaches and lectures in Rochester as well as, and this gives an opportunity for the student to pick the correct answer. So we'll go ahead and choose what she mentioned in the video, these 3, Croatia, Dubai, and Zagreb. And then we'll go ahead and check, and it gives immediate feedback for the student. And then we can go ahead and continue moving forward. The tools work very well. The drag and drop activity allowed for the students to go ahead and recall the information and correctly assemble the order of the 5 principles. So when the student was presented with this problem, they have the ability to assemble the original context and kind of reconstruct it accordingly. The purpose of the interactivities is to have the student fully comprehend the exposure to the 5 principles of service design and where this knowledge is being taught. So the learning approach most relevant to my learning object is the cognitive approach. It allows for the student to first absorb the knowledge that is being verbally demonstrated. The students are in a position to not only hear and see, but to personally experience an interaction with the video. And according to Edgar Dale, we remember 80% of what we personally experience. So the students have 2 opportunities to personally interact with the knowledge that they just received and synthesize it. So once they organize the information, they can go ahead and apply it correctly to answer the activities. As you can see here, all 5 of them have been here, and we'll kind of move forward to give the student that opportunity to put them in order. So we'll go ahead and put them in the order that we believe is the correct one. And if the student were to have it in an incorrect manner, you still have the ability to go back and give them a second attempt. So the students can then, again, recollect what that information was, put that information in the correct sequence, and hopefully come out with a better outcome. So now you can see it is 5 out of 5. So the cognitive approach enhances the student's ability to gain knowledge of a subject and to the best of their ability comprehend it. As instructors, we provide the student with the tools that best complement their opportunity to apply their knowledge after analysis and synthesis. So with the cognitive approach, the instructor can evaluate the student's knowledge with a check for understanding activity, and the students can evaluate themselves by how they perform on an activity or exercise.